I lost 70 pounds eating high volume, low calorie meals just like this delicious tortilla soup. And it's on page 133 of Plantifully Lean for those of you that are following along. So I'm just going to start off by sauteing some onion, some diced jalapeno that's been de-seeded. Gonna let that cook down. Then I'm gonna add some diced tomatoes, some black beans, and some pinto beans. You can add whatever beans you enjoy. Then I'm gonna add some corn. And then this is the secret sauce, guys. It's just garlic marinara, and that adds all the flavor. Then I add some water, and I'm just gonna bring that up and let it simmer for about 10 minutes just to let all those flavors come together. And then I'm gonna add the juice of a whole lime. I'm gonna salt it to taste. I add a bunch of cilantro, and then it's ready to go. I also baked some tortilla chips. And I just use these tortillas because they are low calorie. They're only 35 calories each. I add some avocado, some of my cashew sour cream, and that recipe is also in Plantifully Lean. And you can have this whole bowl with the avocado and the sour cream for 327 calories. It's so much food. Soup is phenomenal. And then you add some of your low calorie baked chips. It is amazing. It is so tasty and so filling.